Telephone lines. This video will show how to register phone lines in Clock Evolution. If the hotel program is connected to a telephone exchange, you can set up phone lines so that all phone calls are charged directly to the account of the guests in the respective room. Phone calls can be priced without surcharge at telecount price or with a surcharge calculated by a specified coefficient. Telecount is the module that connects the system to the exchange. Phone lines may be manipulated by users who have been granted rooms, room types, hotels. To register a new phone line, open menu Settings, Phone Lines. New line. Enter the number as it is registered in the exchange. Room name. Enter the number of the room exactly as it is registered in the system. For example, if the room is registered as 103, type in 103 here as well. Price coefficient. If calls in different room types are charged differently, in this field enter the coefficient for calculating the surcharge for the respective room type. If all lines are charged the same, the surcharge coefficient is set in SpoolDB and this field is left blank. Archived. If the option is selected, calls from this line can only be monitored by users authorized with right access to phone calls made from archival lines. Calls from such lines cannot be transferred or invoiced. Charge. Check the option if you want a line to be surcharged. Usually, these are lines in guest rooms. If neither of these two options is checked, all calls will be allowed from the line and they will not be surcharged. Such lines are normally used by various administrative departments in the organization or by tenants such as beauty parlor, for example. If both options are marked, the line will be surcharged and calls will only be monitored by specially authorized users. Profile. With this setting, the phone line is linked to a specific profile of a guest, an agent, an owner, or account receivable. Check the desired option and select the profile using Link Select. Account. Select which of the profile accounts is to be used for the phone calls. It is important to note that if the phone line is linked to an account and on the day of the phone call there is a booking checked in the room, the call will be transferred to the account of the booking. Confirm the setting of the phone line with Save. The line has been registered and listed in Screen Telephone Lines. Preview and edit. To change the setting, use the button Edit.